Before we get started, I want to let you all know that I recently released my brand new holiday macrame guides. There are 12 different projects within these guides, varying from gift ideas and Christmas ornaments. Please check out the link in the description below to learn more. Take your 12-inch cord and fold it evenly in half, and then secure it down to a tabletop surface. Now take your 5 feet piece of cord, again fold it evenly in half and place it right behind those 2 shorter cords. Attach it to the shorter cord with a square knot. Okay, so take the side on the right and cross it over those 2 cords in the middle to form a loop. Then take the side on the left over the right cord, behind the 2 in the middle, and pull it up through the loop on the right. Then pull that nice and tight. Okay, and then just slide it back up towards the tape or whatever you use to secure your ropes. Now to finish out the square knot, we're going to take the side on the left over the 2 cords in the middle to form a loop. Then the side on the right goes over that left cord, behind the 2 in the middle, and up through the loop. Pull it nice and tight. Now, all we're going to do is continue tying square knots down these 2 cords in the middle. But we're going to be leaving gaps between each square knot as we go. So once again, tie your square knot starting from the right side like before. When you pull this tight, you want to leave a little bit of a gap between the last square knot. So after you form that complete square knot, we're just going to take it and push it up towards the first one. You'll have formed little loops off to the side, and I like to kind of give those loops a nice gentle pull just to tighten everything up even more secure. Now we're just going to repeat by leaving just a slightly bigger gap this time. Okay, this is all an estimation, so just eyeball it, and you just want your next loops to be slightly bigger than the last or pretty even with them. You do not want them to be smaller. Again, push them up towards the last ones, and then just pull on those loops to tighten them up even more. Okay, so once you have tied 8 square knots total, we're just going to finish off our project by trimming all the ends. So I'm just taking a pair of scissors and I'm just going to trim these bottom cords so they kind of match the last set of loops. Okay, you can go slightly bigger or slightly smaller, but I like to do a little bit about the same distance so it kind of blends in really nicely. And then I'm just going to trim the center cords just slightly. Just like that. And now my little Christmas tree is complete. Okay, this is a very, very simple way to make an adorable macrame Christmas tree. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.